गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। लास्ट वीडियोस में हमने टाइप्स ऑफ सेट्स, कार्डिनल नंबर, इट्स पावर सेट्स एंड वेन डायग्राम डिस्कस किया था। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू टेक देयर क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम DSSP एग्ज़ाम। सेट्स और वेन डायग्राम बेस्ड जितने भी DSSP में क्वेश्चंस आए थे, मैं पूरी कोशिश करूँगी अपनी वीडियो में इंक्लूड करूँ। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ number of subsets of finite set with n elements are. Number of subsets of a finite set. Number of subsets means we are talking about power set. So if you know the what is the formula for power set, then you can apply directly. Power set is what? Number of possible subset, which is equals to 2 raised to the power n. It means our first option is correct. Next question. The numbers of elements in the sets. The number of elements in the set S, where S is what? A comma B, where A comma B is what? From the equation we will get the value 2a square plus 3b square is equals to 35, where a and b are integers. Here we have 2a square plus 3b square is equals to 35 is what? Quadratic equation. Whenever we have quadratic equation, we require minimum 2 equation to find out the value of two variables a and b. But here we have only one equation, 2a square plus 3b square is equals to 35. Just because of that, we are going to use hit and trial method. Hit and trial method. First, convert this equation in a square form. Take this 3b square to right hand side, plus becomes negative, and this 2 here, 2 into a square, it becomes divided by whole equation 35 minus 3b square upon 2, which is equals to a square. Now put b is equals to 1, because as we know that a and b are integers, starts with positive 1. A square becomes 35 minus 3, 1 square. 1 square is what? 1 square is what? 1. It becomes 35 minus 3, which is 32 by 2, and is equals to 16. If a square is equals to 16, then a becomes plus minus under root 16, because square value is either positive or negative, will give positive value. If a is positive or a is negative, will give a square becomes positive. That's why we are going to take plus minus. 60 under root 16 is what? 4. So a becomes positive or negative 4. Whenever we have b is equals to 1, positive 1, we get either plus 4 if b is equals to positive 1 or minus 4. Similarly, b is square in this equation. अगर हमारे पास already square है तो वो positive भी हो सकता है, वो negative भी हो सकता है. So if we take negative minus 1 in this equation, we will get again same value plus minus 4. So we get first value, second value, third value, and fourth value for set S. Means 4 elements of set S. Next, putting b is equals to 2. Now if we put b is equals to 2, we will get 35 minus 12, which is 23 by 2, which is not integer. So we are not going to take that value in our set S, because according to the question, a and b are integers. Next value is b is equals to 3. We get a square is equals to 4, so a is positive and minus 2. So if b is 3, then b. If b is 3, then 3 into 3 square is 9. 35 minus 27, which is 8 by 2, 4. A square is 4. A becomes plus minus 4. B is 3, A is 2, B is 3, A is minus 2. Similarly, If we are going to take b in negative form, b square again becomes positive 9, so we will get again same value plus minus 2. If b is minus 3, a is 2, b is minus 3, a is minus 2. Okay, so the resultant possible outcomes are, set A is what? First value is 1, 4, 1, minus 4, minus 1, plus 4, minus so our possible outcomes are, first is positive 4, 1, negative 4, 1, A, B, A, B. Next, positive 4, minus 1, positive 4, negative 4, negative 1. Next is 3. In 3 we will get positive 2, minus 2. Next, positive minus 3. How many outcomes can be possible? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 elements are there in set S. So our answer is, number of elements in the set S is first part 8. I hope is it clear to all of you. Next question is, let x and y are real numbers. X is x and comma y, where y is 1 by x, and y is x comma y, where y is minus x. These are small letters and these are capital letters. So we need to find out which statement is true. First, find out what are the elements for x, set x. Real numbers, you can use any number, but I am going to use integers only. 1, if we put 1 here, we will get 1. If we put 2, 1 by 2. Minus 3, minus 1 by 3. Similarly for y, we will get y minus x. If we put 1, we will get y is minus 1. If we put 2, we will get minus 2. If we put 3, minus 3, we will get 1, positive 3. Not 1 by 3, it's positive 3. So is there any common element in between two sets? 1 positive, 1 positive, but here we have 1 positive, 1 negative. No, they are not common. 2, 1 by 2, 2 minus 2, and so on. There is no common element in between. If two elements don't have any common element, they are called, two sets having no common elements, they are called disjoint sets. Two sets having no common elements are called disjoint sets. So what is the intersection value of these two sets is 5. Means there is no common element in between. So intersection of two sets is what? Empty set 5. So which part is correct in this question? Third part. X intersection y is 5. Next question is, if set A is an empty set, means 5, then what is the power set of a power set of set A? We have two power set here. Power set of a power set A will be, so we will do this question in two steps. A is 5 as given in the question. Power set of A is what? Subset of 5. Subset means parenthesis of 5. And power set of a power set means 1 5 is there in power set and element of power set A as it is. This is what? A void set, and this is what? Element of a power set A. So we will get 2 elements in it. So which answer is correct? Third part. Is it clear? Next, if universal set is what? 1 2 3 4 5 6 for the question, and set A is 1 3 6 and set B is 5 6, then find A intersection B inverse, means complement of A intersection B. To find out the inverse of any set, we have to first find out A, what is A intersection B. So let's do it. Universal set is 1 2 3 4 5, A is 1 3 6 and B is 5 6. So what is the value of A intersection B? What is common in between A and B? 1, no. 3, no. 6, yes. 6 is common in between. So A intersection B is what? 6. And what is the complement of A intersection B? यूनिवर्सल सेट माइनस ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. यूनिवर्सल सेट में से अगर हम ए इंटरसेक्शन बी वाला एलिमेंट इरेज कर देंगे, वट एवर लेफ्ट इज वॉट? कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्शन बी, विच इज़ वॉट? 1 2 3 4 5, नॉट 6. विच ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट, if A is 1 2 3 4 5, then the number of subsets of A which contains element 2 but not 4. First part तो बहुत easy था, find the number of subsets means it is talking about power set, but the one more condition is given in this question. Element A 2 should be there but not 4. So first find out how many subsets can be formed. A is what? 1 2 3 4 5. Now how many subsets can be formed including 2 as an element but not 4? First is single element, singleton set, 2. Next is 2 elements in a set, one should be 2. So 1 2 2 3, you can write 2 3 or 3 4, and you can write in any order as we have discussed earlier. 2 4, no, we cannot take 2 4 because not 4. 2 5, yes. These are what? 2 elements in a subset. Next 3 elements, 1 2 3, 1 2 5, not 4. Okay, then don't take 1 2 3 5, and all the elements excluding 4, 1 2 3 5. Is it clear? Now count them. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here we have power set of A in which 2 is included but not 4 is what? 8. And which option is correct? If you have any problem, you can write in comment box. Now next is A is what? X, which is what? 2x. B is x, which is prime number of one digit. C is what? 3x. X is what? A natural number less than equal to 12. A is what? 2x. I think it's not visible. Which is lies between 0 to 10. 0 less than equal to and 10 less than equal to. Means x is what? Greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 10. B, x is what? Prime number of one digit only. C, x is what? 3x, which is a natural number. And what is the range for x? Natural number means it starts from 1, right? And less than equals to 12. So you have to find out A intersection within bracket B union C. So first step is find out what are the elements for A, B and C. Let's see. A is what? Multiple of 2 less than equal to 10. Starts from 0. First element is 0. Second is, if we put 1, then we will get 2x is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. X is what? 2x and s starts from 10. Okay, next is prime numbers. One digit prime number. 1 is not a prime number, not a composite number, so we are not going to write 1. 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the one digit prime numbers. Next is x, where x is 3x. Natural number means starts from 1 and less than equals to 12. Multiple of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. So first find out B union C. According to the question we want B union C. B union C means include all the elements of B as well as C. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 12. And then in A intersection B union C. What is common in between? 2 is common? Yes, 2 is common. 4, no. 6, yes. 8, no. And 10, no. We are having only 2 elements common in between. So A intersection bracket B union C is what? Only 2 elements are there, 2 and 6. So which option is correct according to this question? 2 and 6 is what? A part. Next question, shaded Venn diagram. The shaded area which represents A minus B is what? First discuss what is A minus B. हमने पहले भी अपनी वीडियो में डिस्कस किया है what is A minus B, but again we are going to discuss this thing. This is what? Shaded portion is what? Complement of B. Complement of B को हम कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे? माइनस B. And A, here we have A and minus B. Is it clear? अब इसमें से भी हमने shaded area which represents A minus B is what? Complement of B in A. Shaded portion हमारे पास क्या था? ये वाला पोर्शन जो भी था, जो हम A की बात कर रहे हैं, पॉजिटिव है बट नॉट इंक्लूडिंग B पार्ट इन इट. तो A माइनस B क्या हो गया? कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ B इन A. A माइनस B तो हमें पता ही है कि हमें क्वेश्चन में गिवन है दिस इज A माइनस B, बट उसे हम बोलेंगे कैसे? कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ B बिकॉज वी हैव नेगेटिव B हियर इन A. हमने पूरा यूनिवर्सल सेट कंसीडर नहीं किया है शेडेड पोर्शन में, सो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू यूज़ U एंड एनी अदर सेट. हमने सिर्फ A यूज़ किया है बट उसमें B यूज़ नहीं किया है. दैट इज़ व्हाट कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ B इन A. स्टेटमेंट फॉर्म में भी पता होना चाहिए व्हाट इज़ A माइनस B, कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ B इन A. और इसको हम क्या लिखते हैं? कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ A मीन्स माइनस A इन B. और हमारे पास ये पोर्शन है A माइनस B. कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ B मीन्स माइनस B एंड A. हमारा ऑप्शन ये करेक्ट है. इज इट क्लियर? आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. नेक्स्ट, क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट. क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट हमने लास्ट क्लास में डिस्कस नहीं किया है, इसलिए मैं इस बेसिक एग्जांपल के साथ आपको एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ. Let A having 3 elements 1, 2, 3, B having 2 elements B, A and B. तो क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? A क्रॉस B. फर्स्ट एलिमेंट A का दोनों से अपना सबसेट अपना फॉर्म करेगा 1 A 1 कॉमा B, फिर 2 कॉमा A 2 कॉमा B 3 कॉमा A एंड 3 कॉमा B. इज इट क्लियर? सो 1 3 2 टाइम्स होगा, फिर 2 टाइम्स होगा और 2 टाइम्स होगा. मतलब ये टेबल की बात हो रही है 3 इंटू 2. जितने सेट्स जितने एलिमेंट्स इसके हैं मल्टीप्लाइड बाय जितने एलिमेंट्स इसके हैं, दैट इज़ व्हाट क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट. हाउ मेनी क्रॉस एलिमेंट्स इन अ क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 2 सेट्स? जितने भी एलिमेंट्स होंगे उन्हें मल्टीप्लाई करना है बेसिकली. तो इसके स्टेटमेंट फॉर्म में भी क्वेश्चन आते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल फ्रॉम DSSB पेपर. इफ़ the set A has P elements and set B has Q elements, then the number of elements in A cross B. A में P elements है, B में Q elements है, जनरल फॉर्म है, सेम क्वेश्चन है, जनरल वैल्यू दी हुई है, 3 और 2 नहीं, जैसे यहाँ पे 3 और 2 हमें पता था, यहाँ पे P and Q पता है, जनरल फार्मूला है. So number of element in A is P, number of element in B is Q, so number of element in their cross product is P into Q. So which option is correct? Second, means it's third option. Next question. If A is ABC, B is having 3 elements B, C, D, and C is having 3 elements A, D, C, then A minus B multiply B intersection C is equals to. तो उसमें हमें पहले इंडिविजुअली वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट करनी है, देन क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट. A is ABC, again A and B, B, C, D, which element is common in between B, C? So B and C, A and D. Here we have A and here we have B. A minus B, जिसमें क्या आएगा आपके पास, इसमें जो भी एलिमेंट B में ना हो. इज इट क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, B इंटरसेक्शन C. B और C में कौन से कॉमन एलिमेंट्स है? C and D, B and A. I hope is it visible to all? So we want A intersection B means common elements only C and D. A minus B is A and B intersection C is C and D. Find the cross product, means A comma C, A comma D. 1 into 2. 2 elements are there. Which part is correct? A comma C and A comma D. Fourth part. Next, 11th question. For any two sets A and B, the value of set A intersection A union B complement is first A union B. A union B हमने क्लियर कर लिया by using Venn diagram. ये हम जब इसके फॉर्मूलाज के आगे ऑपरेशंस करेंगे तब भी हम उसको फिर से डिस्कस करेंगे इसी फार्मूला को. बट कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ ए यूनियन बी क्या होगा? ये शेडेड पोर्शन जो है हमारे पास. अब नेक्स्ट है, उसमें से ए इंटरसेक्शन हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. इसमें से ए इंटरसेक्शन तो बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है, दोनों में से कोई भी ओवरलैपिंग नहीं हो रही है, तो इट मीन्स इन दोनों के वैल्यू में कोई भी ओवरलैपिंग नहीं होने का मतलब है देयर इज़ नो एलिमेंट इन द सेट वेयर ए यूनियन बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट में हमारे पास ए इंक्लूडेड ही नहीं है, तो हम ए इंटरसेक्शन दिस सेट में कोई भी एलिमेंट कैसे आ सकता है? दैट्स व्हाई इट इज़ व्हाट 5 नल सेट आएगा हमारे पास. कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ ए यूनियन बी शेडेड पोर्शन है, ए हमारे पास ये शेडेड पोर्शन है. इन दोनों में कोई भी इंटरसेक्शन का मतलब है ओवरलैपिंग पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, तो हमारे पास रिजल्टेंट क्या होगा? 5 नल सेट. So which part is correct in this case? Third part. Okay. इसमें इनमें से किसी भी क्वेश्चन में अगर आपके कोई भी क्वेरी है, कोई भी इशू है, यू कैन राइट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. थैंक यू.